Hey everyone, today we have another garage door module box opening. This is the 16 gauge retractable power cord reel, GDM330. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. Again, this is another garage door module. Just a few left before we've got them all installed. This is another dual port module. So this is one of the big ones. There's two that are large garage door modules that require the power on the side and take up two of the garage door module ports. This is one of those two. This is a 30-foot auto retracting cord. This is similar to their inflator reel, which also takes up two ports. This has three outlets with the LED live wire indicator, so it lets you know that the wire is live or that the power's on. And a couple last features on the box. Again, it is a 30-foot cord, which is pretty big. I like the 30-foot. It has 125 volts and 10 amp max. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Should be pretty simple in the box here. So, looks like that's it for the box. Open this up. Pretty hefty cardboard. And there we go. So there's our reel. Let's see what else we have here. It's just the operator's manual. Now, one thing we're looking for here are the stickers, which on some of the modules it comes with the stickers, and others for some reason it doesn't, so you can't mark the keypad, but interesting. Anyway, there's that. We'll go ahead and keep the manual handy and open up the plastic here. Yeah, no stickers. So there is the cord reel. There it is. It's got this adjustable stopper, and we like this because you can set, if you've got a really tall garage, you can set where you want this to stop so that you have, or if you can't reach it, or for whatever reason need this to be a little bit lower. There's the little LED right there on the top. It says right here 10 amp, 125 VAC. So we're at there. Again, now this one is the most different of all the ones that we've installed so far because it doesn't actually use the module ports. So it doesn't use the modules, or doesn't have any connectors for the modules. So the only thing that matters is the power, the three-prong plug there that plugs into the middle. So this does have to go onto one of the two sides. There's only two sides that have a outlet in the middle that this could hook into. So again, pretty simple. It's got the hooks on the top, got these reinforced bars to keep it steady, the release clips down here on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. This is the biggest cord cable. That's definitely not going to stay, unfortunately. As much as I appreciate warning labels, yeah, that one's just not going to work for me there, because that's just not going to work. But keep a hold of this, put this somewhere safe with your operator's manual, and we'll go ahead and hook this up. All right, so we have the cord reel here. We took out the inflator reel, honestly, because we're having some problems with it. Stay tuned for future review video on what's going on there. But we've got this side, again, this is our 1 and 2 ports. We've already taken off the plates, the cover plates again, and we have the exposed outlet, which in this case is the only thing that matters. It's not actually taking advantage of either of these two connectors. So the only thing again that matters is this port right there, which will line up. And as always with these modules, super slick and easy. That is really cool. You can just pop these in and out. I mean, it doesn't take more than a second. again, with this reel here, we can adjust this. You can get a little screwdriver and pull that out and then slide this to where you want it. I think that I'll probably want it at the max height because I can reach this without any problem. So I want it as far out of the way as possible. But there it goes, up and down. One thing that's interesting is the light is not on, so the little LED light is not illuminated. We'll go ahead and grab something. And in fact, what we're gonna grab is the light ring light that's around the camera here. So it's gonna get pretty dark. We're going to plug it in because that's honestly what we're gonna use this most of the time for, is for the camera stuff. It's in a great location in the garage, centralized, that we can pull this down, use it for camera work and some other things. Not anything too extreme or high voltage, but this will work as a good test. So I'm gonna unplug that from where it is right now. We'll plug it in and see if we can get it to work. Okay, so it's unplugged there. We've got our plug. We're gonna go ahead and stick that in, and it's nothing. So, oh, there's our green light. We're on. We're on, lights on. Okay. So green light illuminated. We know we're working well. And this will be great because I can pull this down and use this for around the garage, for other things. 30 feet is gonna get me anywhere in this garage and outside the garage, vacuuming the cars out, things like that. It's gonna be really handy. So there it is, guys. Cord reel. We'll pull this out just to see, I mean, for no other reason than just testing. We'll just feed this. Oh, so there is a yellow strip here. So as to make sure not to damage or pull this. Oh, and a red one there. Okay, anything after that? Nope. Okay, so that way you don't get too aggressive. It has a yellow first and then a red there. Looks like just a little piece of tape, but that gives you about a foot warning before there's another maybe foot, a little more than a foot, that it can come out. So see, yeah, so it can stop after this little red mark there. It's got enough, but I mean, we're talking tons of cable here, 30 feet of cable. So there it is, pretty good wind or length of cable there. We'll go ahead and just reel this back in. Whew. And that's fast. So that's something to be aware of. That is quick. And because it has some texture to it, kind of burns the hand a little bit. But seems to wind okay. And there it is. Again, I foresee this tag coming off sooner than later. We'll find a good place for it to go with the rest of our operator's manuals, but otherwise, looks pretty cool. We'll do some more testing with it, try it out with some bigger things, maybe the bandsaw or something else like that, and see how it does or how it functions. But so far, so good. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, and we hope you did, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what tools or mods or other things you want to see from our channel in the future. Again, we've been a little bit slow recently to start off the year, mostly due to our day jobs and some of the other things that we've had going on. But again, make sure to follow our other channels as well. We've got some really cool stuff going on. We'll have links all over the place and in the description for you to check out. But again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. don't know if you guys can see them, but I can see them. So we're gonna get rid of all of these spider webs on my fan here. Don't fall. So. I need a middle step.